Hello, second grade. We have another chapter of Living Fossils Clues to the Past today. And today we're talking about Latonia frogs. They are, as it sounds like, a frog. Here is Latonia frogs then. Let's see if I can get it nice and centered for you. You're really seeing the mammoth there in the background. Okay. In a mountain valley in central Italy, 1.5 million years ago, there was a large lake where turtles swam, ducks built nests, and deer, bears, and mammoth came to drink. Large frogs called Latonia hopped through the dense underbrush of the surrounding swamp as they searched for insects. Over time, the climate changed. The animals in this warm, lush valley died, and the lake and swamps dried up. The dead plants piled up and compressed into peat, which then compacted and formed into coal. Mixed with the coal were the fossil remains of plants and animals, including many Latonia fossils. Quarries in Pietrafitta in central Italy contain thousands of Latonia fossils. Latonia frogs now. In 2011, a ranger at a nature preserve in the Hula Valley in northern Israel spotted an unusual frog with a bumpy back and a white speckled belly. It was a rare hula painted frog. Only a few of these frogs had ever been found, and none had been seen since the 1950s, when the large lake and swamps in the Hula Valley had been drained. But somehow, a few frogs must have survived, mating, laying eggs, and producing more frogs. By 2013, 13 more hula painted frogs were discovered. When the hula painted frog was first identified in 1940, it was classified with other painted frogs. However, recent genetic testing shows that the hula painted frog is actually a part of Latonia, a group the scientists thought had died about 15,000 years ago. As the only living representative of Latonia, the hula painted frog offers the chance to learn about its ancient relatives. It is a living fossil. Now, instead of how they survive, this one actually says, will they survive? Hula painted frogs are found only in the Hula Valley in a small area set aside as a nature preserve. The dense undergrowth in the marshes where the frogs live make them hard to find and provide some protection from birds and other predators. The hula painted frog population is so small and the habitat so limited that they are extremely endangered. I hope you learned something cool today about the hula painted frog and or the Latonia frogs from the past, and you have a great day. We'll see you next time.